Welcome to the future of CT data analysis and visualization with VGSTUDIO MAX. Our latest version, 2024.2, is here, and again, it comes with a long list of new features. So let's get right to it. Let's kick off this release with the next chapter of linear sizes according to ISO 14405-1. Following their introduction in the previous release, 2024.2 includes more additions to our ever-growing list of supported modifiers. These include ACS and ALS. We've also enhanced our collection of rank order modifiers. In addition to SX and SN, we now have SA, SM, SD, SR, and SQ. Speaking of rank order modifiers, since they don't just give you one result but many, you want to see them all at the same time, and preferably in a histogram. This is what you will now find here. Once the linear sizes have been created, they appear comprehensively in the scene tree. And with this new release, you can tell by the name which modifiers have been used to create them. You asked? We answered. Select the features in the scene tree, and then admire and evaluate them in 2D and 3D. Our upgraded OCR analysis for VGSTUDIO MAX and VG Inline is here. It boosts text recognition and lets you customize results and reports like never before. Now, ASCII text on components will be automatically recognized and turned into valuable meta information for your inspection plans and reports. Usability improvements. Which default settings are best? Exactly. Your own. That's why you can now make your customized settings not just a preset, but your new default settings. The next time you start your analysis, your favorite settings will already be there. And the best part? This works for all analyses that support presets, not just porosity and inclusion. The new automatic mode for the analysis area will consider the surface determination settings. This makes your daily work with the porosity inclusion analysis faster and less error-prone. And the visualization of pores is now by default set to render outline only. This way you can still see the gray values of the detected pores. The new Big 5 default report preset gives you images of the 5 largest deviations in your standard report. If you want to see more, fewer, or just the deviations above a certain value, you can simply adjust the rule in the Rules tab. And by the way, did you notice that we've tidied things up a bit here? To keep this dialog uncluttered, we now only show functionally relevant tabs. If your scan data is very noisy and finding particles is a pain in the neck, VG Easy Pores Noise Reduction can now help you filter out those pesky noise particles right from the start. Before and after. This makes it a breeze to set your parameters for successful porosity or inclusion detection. And unless you are evaluating large amounts of tiny noise particles, your analysis can often be much faster. VG Easy Pore is now much faster when you focus on a small area in your CT scans. For example, if you have multiple components in the CT scan and you want to perform the analysis only on one of them. The smaller the region of interest, the faster VG Easy Pore will analyze it. So if you just need to look at one part of a scan, you'll get your results quicker. Customers doing series inspection of batteries will be glad to hear they can now export the toleranced anode overhang results in QDAS format. Statistical process control? No problem. And last but not least, export queue for Save Movie Image Stack. Instead of waiting for render jobs to finish, only to start new ones immediately, you can now line up multiple image stack exports at once and let VGSTUDIO MAX batch process the queue while you enjoy a well-deserved break. Cheers! But there's even more. We've got 2 new tutorial videos fresh off the shelf. Don't miss these detailed explanations of cone beam CT reconstruction and P203 porosity analysis. Check out the videos and the other great features of 2024.2 on our product release page. Find the link below in the video description. Download the new VGSTUDIO MAX today and start enjoying all the improvements right away. Have fun with the new version, and see you next time.